Hi children. So in before classes we have learnt about the numbers. How do you read the numbers, how to write the numbers, expanded form, short form, place values, face values, biggest and smallest, ascending order, descending order, and finally what are the numbers you can make with the digits. These all things you have learnt in before three classes. Now in the day 4, in the class day 4, we are going to know about the addition. So what is meaning of addition? What means addition? What is meant by addition? So maybe you will say 3 plus 4 7 sir. Not like that. What is exactly meaning? The meaning of addition is mixing together, joining together is called addition. The process of joining together is called adding. If there are 4 chocolates and 3 chocolates, when we are joining together, mixing together, joining together is called adding. Then we will get 7 chocolates. So when we are joining together, that is called addition. Okay, in what situations, in which situations we are going to do the addition? There are so many examples are there. You have done so many problems, you have solved so many problems in up to 4th class on the additions. Suppose in your class there are some girls and there are some boys. How many? What is the total strength of your class? So means you need to do the addition. In your school there are 70 students in the first class, 20 students in the third class, 50 students in the second class. How many students are there in the school? So then what should we do? We need to do the addition. Okay, in these type of situations, we are going to do the additions. In a garden, there are 70 mango trees are there, 30 banana trees are there, 60 neem trees are there. How many trees are there all together? This is the question. How do you solve it? We will solve by using the addition. So like that, there are so many situations are there. We need to do addition in that situations. We will solve that problems by using the additions. Okay, you can understand addition, I think. The meaning and when do we use and how do you use, these all things you have known already. So once again we will discuss today. You know that how to add the numbers. So these are very easy to add when we know the single digit numbers. You can say answer very easily. This is 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 7 9. 3 plus 6 9. 4 plus 6 10. These all the additions are very easy to use. Sometimes when we are adding like that, then you will take some time to say the answer. Some people use the fingers to count. Some people use counting in brain. So you will count like that. You will count it different ideas and you will say the answer. But maximum you are taking long time to say the answer. If you follow the method what I am going to say now, you can say the answer very easily. By logic, you can get the answer fast. How? There is 8 and 9. We need to make one number as round figure. Round figure means 10, 20, 30, 40. These are called round figures. So you see here any number you can make round figure. 8 you can make round or 9 you can make round figure. What is the round figure you will make? The 9 you can make 10. How do you make 10? 9 cannot become 10 easily. What is needed for it? 1 is needed to make that 9 10. So we will give one number here. Then it will become 10. And what is left here? 7. So 10 and 7 will become 17. If you do this process in your brain, logical idea if you follow, like these additions, whereas these are very easy to say, you can give the answer fast. But when I am asking like that, you will take time to give the answer. That time, this method will be very useful to you. Any number you can make like that. not only this number, you can make this one round figure. 8 also you can make 10 by giving 2. This is 10. You have given 2 here. Means what is left here? 7. 10 and 7 is very easy addition. 10 and 7 will be 17. So you have to be practiced like that. Don't count 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 like that. Don't count. Without counting, use this logical idea and give the answer. So you have given here 7 plus 8. Easy. Give 2 here. Left 5. 10 and 5 will be 15. No counting with fingers. 9 plus 7. Simple. You can give one number here. 9 and 1, 10, and it is left, 6 is left here. So 10 and 6 will be 16. 8 plus 5, 8 needed 2 to make the round figure. It becomes 10. You have given 2 here. How many are left here? 3. Means 10 and 3 will become 13. 8 plus 9, sorry, 8 plus 8. So 8, we can make it a round figure by giving 2. This is 10. How many are left here? 6. 10 and 6 will become 16. So this is the way you can make big number additions also easy. Small number additions are very easy to you, but here you are going to take time. Follow this method what I said now. You will be able to do the additions very fast. Okay, I think you understood how to add the single digits, small digits and big digits. Okay, when you are taking the big numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, we are not in the small sections now. We are in 5th class now. In 5th class, we are going to learn 5-digit numbers compulsory. 5-digit numbers we need to do. So how to add the 5-digit numbers? 23,799 plus 14,642. This is the addition I am going to do here. Okay, how do you do this addition? I think you will say answer very easily because everyone are perfect in additions. You all will do the addition. We will think that we will see that places, ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So then what we will do? We will add here. Always additions and subtractions and multiplication, everything we will do. We will start the work from right hand side. 9 plus 2. So make round figure. 1 you give here, it become 10 and 1 left, 11. So will you write the 11 like this? No, you will not write the 11 like that. What will you do? 1 we will take the carry and 1 we will write here. 1 we will give the carry to the another level. 1 we are giving the carry to the another level. Now we will add the next line. 9 and 1, 10. And here 4, 14. Will you write the 14 like that? No. Only what will you do now? 1 digit you write here and 1 we will give the carry for the another level. Now we will add this. 7 and 1, 8. 8. Take 2, 10. Remaining 4, 14. 8, 10. Remaining is 4. 10, 4, 14. Will you write 14 like this? No. Only we will write 4 and we will give the carry for the another level. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. There is no another digit. Second 2 digits are not there. Single digit is, that's why directly. Now last 2 and 1, 3. So this is the answer, 38,441. This is a way of adding. Okay. Now I will give the another one. Because we have know these all ideas. That's why I am going more fast. 72,345 plus 8,976. Then how do you write it? You will write the numbers like that. 72,345 and plus 8,976. Is it correct way to write? No, it is wrong way to write. Why? Why it is wrong way? When we are doing the addition, we must follow one rule. We must add ones to ones only, tens to tens only, hundreds to hundreds. Level ones, all ones in the first digit of first number also ones and second number also ones. You see in the second number which is ones, 6. That's why 6 should come here. Ones place both in the one order. And tens place here 7 is there. In this tens place 4, in that tens place 7. Hundreds place, in this it is 3, in that it is 9. Thousands place, in this it is 2, in this it is 8. 10,000 place, here it is 7 and here there is no 10,000 place. Now, just now we have done it. 6 plus 5, 6, 5 and 5, then no, 1 left here, 11. 11 is what we will do, we will give the 1 carry for the another level and 1 you will write here. 1 and 4, 5. 5, again you take 5, 10, 2 left, 12. Are you understanding? 4, 1, 5. From here if you take 5, 5 and 10. And here how many left? 2 left. 10 and 2, 12. 12 is 2 here, 1 carry for another level. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Means 3 here, 1 is carry for another level. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Means 1 carry, 1 here. 7 and 1, 8. This is the way of addition. But I have a little bit of doubt. You are giving the carry for the another level. Why are you giving the carry for another level? My question is, I will take the carry here only. Why you are giving there only? Is there any answer with you? We don't know exactly, I think. You just are following what our teacher said, we are following that. Not like that. Compulsory, you need to question why you are taking the carry in the next line. Why are you not taking here? Why are you taking the carry here only? Why are you not taking the carry? First carry there. Different doubts can come. So for that, why the carry we are keeping there? I will explain once. Only listen this explanation, but you follow your system. Your system is correct. I am not going to say this is wrong, but I have a doubt. Why are you keeping the carry here? Why can't you keep carry here? That is my doubt. So we need to get the clarification for that. Maybe any others can ask you why you need to keep the carry there only. We can keep here. Then we need to give the answer to them. That's why you listen what I am going to say. But method, this is the same method you have done now. That method you can follow. Okay. First I will say that. After that, one more 2-3 problems we can do in that method. So one example, I am saying why are you taking carry in that place? So we are adding this both. So first of all, we will add the ones place. Ones place, ones place. So what is this? 7 and 5. 7 and 5 becomes 12. 7, 3 here, 10 no 2. 7 and 5 becomes 12. But here, ones place down, we need to write ones only. Okay, what is the meaning of this number? 2497 means 2000 it is. It is not 2, it is 2000. What is this? 400. What is this? 9 tens, 90. What is this? 7. We are thinking 5, 8, 6, 4. No, it is not like that. In the number, what means it? 4000. 6 means 600. 8 means 8 tens. 5 means 5 ones, 5. I am finding your answer, but I want in the ones place, one digit only should come. What means the 12? We are getting 12 here. What means the 12? 10 and 2. 10 and 2. So means first I will take only this 2. 1's place 2 I will write here. And how much is left here actually? 10. You are writing 2 only. But you are writing 1 here. Not 1 it is. Actually what it is? 10. 12 you got. Means 2 you are keeping here. 10 we are separating. 10 we are sending here. You see here these are tens. Actually what means it? It is not 9. It is 90. 9 tens. This is 8 tens. But we are getting one extra 1 10 here. How many tens you are getting? You got extra here, 1 10 extra you got. That's why this 1 10 we are joining in the tens line. These are, when you add this, I got 12. The meaning of 12 is 10 and 2. 2 I have written here. And what is left here? 10 means 1 10 left. Where we have to set this 10? In the tens line. Where is the tens line? This is the tens line. Already how many tens are there here? 5 tens, 8 tens. And how many tens you got here? 1 10. That's why that 1 10. 10 you are not writing. This is already tens place it is. How many tens are there? 1 10 is there. Okay, now when you add it here, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. These are what do you know? Actually 18 tens. Because you added tens here. That's why what do you get here? 18 tens. Before that 12 ones you got. Now what did you get? 18 tens. So here what you will do? 10 tens you will separate and 8 tens you will separate. 18 tens means 10 tens and 8 tens you will separate. And you will write here in the tens down how many 8s? How many tens? 8 tens. That's why you will write here 8. How many tens are left here? 10 tens left. Can you say 10 tens means how much? 10 tens are 100, no? So means what is left here? 100 left. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means. Now, where is the hundreds line actually? This is the hundreds line. That's why 100 you have to be joined in the hundreds line. When I have written like that, out of 18 tens, 8 tens I have written here. And 10 tens left here. 10 tens means 100. 100 means you have to be joined in the hundreds line. This is the hundreds line. That's why 1 here. Now we are adding the hundreds. How many hundreds are there here? 600s, 400s, 100. Totally it is 11 hundreds. How much it is? 11 hundreds. Means how we are separating here 11 hundreds? 10 hundreds and 100. 11 hundreds I am separating 10 hundreds and 100. In the hundreds line I will write this one. In the hundreds line I will write this one. And what is left here? 10 hundreds left. 100 I have written here. Now what is left here? 10 hundreds. Can you say what is 10 hundreds? 10 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 10 hundreds, 1000. 1000. 10 hundreds will be 1000. So now these thousands, you have to be joined in the thousands line. Where is the thousands line? This is the line. This 1000 will be joined there. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 thousands, only 7. There is no extra. 7 thousands, that's why it's 7. So like that, why we are giving the carry? Because here we are separating 110. That's why that must be come in the tens line. Here 10 tens left. 10 tens means 100. That's why that 100 we are joining in the hundreds line. Here 10 hundreds are left. 10 hundreds means 1000. That's why that 1000 will be in the thousands line. That's why we are taking the carry, and the carry we are joining in that line for that purpose. Okay, the thing what the logic I have said to you, those can understand, you can understand, you try to understand and remember it. Somebody can't understand exactly this all, but method if you know enough. What is the method of addition? How do you do the addition if you know enough? But some must know how do you do, why it is, why I am giving carry there only. Like the questions can raise and you can give the answer. Now finally, two problems I will explain about the additions in final method. What the method you have known like that. 2482 plus 20,682 plus 986. I want to add three numbers here. So what do you follow first? You write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Now write the number according to places. 2,482. Thousands place 2, hundreds place 4, 8, 2. Now second number, 20,682. This is in 10,000 place, thousands place, hundreds, tens, ones. 986. Hundreds place, one tens place, ones place. Now you can add like that. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 means only 0 we will write here. That 110 we will give the carry here. 1 and 10, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 8, 25, 17, you see, 1 plus 8, 9, we have taken 1, 10, 7 left, 10 and 7, 17, for 17 I have taken 3 again, it will become 20, 3 I have taken no, 5 left here, 25, 1 plus 8, 9. 1 I have taken, it becomes 10. Now 7 left, 17. 3 I have taken, 20. 5 left, 5, 25. 25. In 25, what is there? 5 here and 2. 20, 20 tens. These are tens now. 20 tens will becomes 200. 200. In the 100 lines, it is 2. 25 is 2 here, 5 here. 2 is carried. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6. 6, 4, 10, 2 left. 12. 12 and plus 9. 21. 21 is again 1 here, 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 4. And last 2. This is called addition. So when I have given like that, you should be arranged in the order. Once all ones places in one line, tens places one line, 100 places one line, 1,000 places and 10,000 places. So one more problem. 6,789, 4,280, 376. So how to do 9 plus 6? 9, 1, 10, 5 left here. 15. 15 means 1 carry, 5 here. 9, 1 you are taken. 10, 7 left. 10, 7, 17, 3, 20, 4 left. 24 means 2 and 4. 2 plus 7, 9. 10, 1 left. 11, 11 plus 3, 14. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 and 1, 11. So you have practiced a lot of additions in previous classes. You can do that very easily. But I want to say what is meant by addition and when do we use the additions? What are the situations we are using the addition and why we are taking the carry exactly in that place. Particular logic I have said to you and finally methods. How do you add? These all I have explained now. So you listen carefully and what I am going to give the homework check and complete the homework well. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.